guys, today I'm filming the next update in my non-makeup rolling project pan, and I don't have a ton of empties for this month, but that's okay. I've been working on so many full-size products this year. I don't think it's realistic for me to have a bunch of empties every month, but nonetheless, I'm excited to share with you all of the progress that I've made and the new things that I will be working on. But let us start with the empties. So I did finish the Ouai leave-in conditioner. I was right there at the last update, so there wasn't a ton left. The formula of this is fine, but I have other leave-ins that work just as well, and I do not like the scent of Ouai hair products. It is just very blah. I don't know. It's a weird scent. It doesn't quite smell herbally, but kind of. So I would not repurchase this. If I get any more minis, I'll pass these on. The formula is good, I just don't like the scent. The next product is something that is not completely finished, but I know that I will finish this today, so I want to go ahead and count it as an empty. It is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. Here's what it looks like. I had about half the product left last update, and I'm filming 2 videos today, so that means I will have 2 makeup removal applications, so I will finish this in 2 uses. I really love this. Yes, I went through it pretty quickly. I finished it in 2 months essentially, and that's okay because this is very inexpensive. I would definitely repurchase this, probably still on sale though, so I can get it for the best deal possible. But this did an amazing job of breaking down all of my face and eye makeup. This did not burn my eyes, which is amazing because it does have a scent. It has a bit of a blueberry scent, which I have gotten used to, but I don't love. I think that they should just get rid of the scent so that this could be more sensitive skin friendly. But I'm so impressed by this. I've tried so many other cleansing balms and even from high-end brands that I did not think were as good as this one. So definitely will repurchase this in the future. Next, I had the Peach Lily Good Acids Pore Toner. It was brand new last month, and I finished the whole thing. It only had 1 fluid ounce in it, and I really do love this toner. I've been able to get it a couple times as a free gift from Ulta, and it is really good. It does make my skin feel very refreshed without being too dry, and it's so good. This is something that I would definitely consider purchasing in the future if it was heavily discounted. Like if it was part of the Ulta Love Your Skin event for half off, I would definitely get it then. And then the last empty I have would finally be the Tower 28 SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. When I finished this as my toner, I used this as a toner. And as you guys know, I did use it also alongside my toner. I just sprayed it on afterwards. I have been working on this since the beginning of the year, or maybe even the end of last year. So I was right here last month, all used up finally. I did not notice anything from this. I know a lot of people feel like this really helps with their redness or eczema or acne, which is lovely, but it didn't do anything for me, so I would not repurchase this. Then I have my foil sample empties, and I really wish I jotted down some notes because I just have some vague memories of these because I only had a couple applications worth. For serums, I have the Natasha Denona Hygen Skin Glass Energizing and Hydrating Primer Serum. Didn't really do anything for me. It was smooth feeling. It had a nice glow. Didn't make me too greasy, but no. Then for night, I used the Shani Darden Retinol Reform, and I did really like the consistency of this, but very pricey, would not repurchase. Then for moisturizers for the daytime, I use the Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Cream, and I remember that this was okay, but I didn't love it, so no. But I surprisingly did really enjoy the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, which I used at night. This did not make me feel greasy, but it was nice and hydrating. It had like a smooth finish. I wouldn't repurchase it because it's so pricey, but I liked it more than I thought I would. Then I had my 2 SPFs, the Supergoop Superscreen Daily Moisturizer with SPF 40. I actually really enjoyed this one. I think it went under makeup really nicely, but it's something that you can definitely use without makeup as well. It didn't have a thick feeling or greasy or tacky or any of that. So that is something that I would consider purchasing. Definitely one of the better Supergoop sunscreens that I've tried. And then I had from K-Skin the Isle Glow Face Lotion SPF 45. This does have a tint to it. It's a little bit more oily feeling. I had to really make sure I blended it in well because of that tint, and it just was not for me. And then I have 2 products that I'm going to declutter. I just want to show them now. First is something my friend Jean just sent me. I only used it once. The Hero Clear Active Serum Toner. I don't like the hybrid. It did really feel like a serum toner, which I'm sure a lot of people really love, especially people with dry skin. But for me, I actually prefer something that is slightly more drying, and the consistency of this is just not my jam, which I should have known from the name of it. And then I had another bottle of the Ouai leave-in conditioner. As I told you guys, I just used one up. Don't like the scent. I have plenty of other leave-ins, so I'm going to go ahead and pass this on brand new. So now to show you the progress on all the items that I'm working on for hair. Still using the Derma Scalp Relief shampoo, but I did have a pretty good jump. I was here last month, and now I'm down to here. So this should be finished in 2 or 3 more months. But I did recently chop a lot of length off my hair, so I won't need as much hair product as before. So yeah, I'm thinking more around 3 months, but that's okay because I love this. Then for conditioner, I'm using the Joico K-Pack Color Therapy Luster Lock Instant Shine and Repair Treatment. I was here last month, now down to here approximately. There is air in here, and this is a pretty thick package, so I have to like really squeeze to get the product out right now, but this should probably take like 3 more months as well. For the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo, I did use it once over the past month, which is pretty good for me, pretty average right now, and I'm okay with that. This is something that I only use if I've gone several days without washing my hair, or if I use dry shampoo 2 or more days in a row, and I haven't really been using dry shampoo a whole lot recently. And then I am onto a new leave-in product. I had already started working on this. This is it's a 10 Miracle leave-in, the 2 fluid out size, and I am down to here. So for skincare, I do want to try to use up the rest of my skincare samples. So the only one that I did not get to last month that I had originally chosen was the Caudalie Premier Crew Eye Cream. But one of the other samples that I have left is the Sephora Firming Eye Cream. So we'll see how I get along with using 2. But the other products I have would be the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Dark Spot Serum. Then I have a couple samples from Drunk Elephant. This one has the TLC Framboose Glycolic Night Serum and the La La Retro Whipped Cream. And then the other one has the TLC Sukari Baby Facial and the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. So I will try my best to actually get these used up, not sure where we'll get with the eye creams. Then moving on to more of my full-size skincare products. So for my makeup removing cleansing balm, I still have this Clinique Take the Day Off. I think I used this a little bit over the past month, but I was really trying to savor it, so I mostly used the Clinique. And as you guys know, I this year am testing out some different affordable cleansing balms to see if any of them could replace the Clinique for me. So since I'm going to be finishing the e.l.f. today, this month I do want to test out the Versed Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm. This comes with 2.3 ounces and just right now broke the seal. So this is brand new, so very excited to see what I think of this. And I think I'll just try it for a month, and then next month try the Naturium, and then I still need to buy the Good Molecules one. So I'll probably use the Clinique one a little bit because I do have another backup of it that I could dip into if I needed to recompare, but I will mostly be using this one over the next month. Then for cleanser, still chugging along on this Philosophy Purity Cleanser. I was right there last month, now down to here, so probably 3 more months on this one. For scrub, I've been using this new Reflection Complexion Perfecting Polish. This is really nice. It is a little bit harsh though, but I feel like this is gonna last me till the end of the year, which would be amazing because I don't have any other scrubs. It's a really nice sandy consistency. For toner, moving on to something full size, this is the Beauty Counter All Bright Triple Acid AHA Toner. My friend Lauren had to clutter this to me. I've been using this for about a week, so it was not brand new when it was given to me, and I'm about halfway through it, but this should still last me several more months. I'm so excited to use this. Then we have my serums. I made a lot of progress on my daytime one, which is the Murad Vita C Glycolic Serum. I was there last month, now down to here. So I should finish this in about 2 months, I'm thinking. And I do have the weights for this as well, because at first I didn't realize you could see through the packaging. So last month this was weighing 3.157 ounces, and now it is 2.874. So that is a lot of usage, as we can see. Then my night serum is the Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. I told you guys that I was worried that if I use these at the same time that it would be too harsh for me, and it really has not been, which is good because I do want to make sure that I'm getting some good use out of this. This is something I have to weigh. So last month it weighed 2.921 ounces. Now it's 2.727, which is decent usage. Next, my friend Jean sent me a few deluxe size samples of moisturizers, so I would like to go ahead and try these out. This is the Sunday Riley CEO Afterglow Brightening Vitamin C Cream and the Drunk Elephant F Balm Electrolyte Water Facial. And I think that this goes over top of your nighttime moisturizer, but I'm not quite sure, but I'll figure it out. But I would love to just go ahead and use those up, especially because I will be filming an inventory update in July. But then for my actual moisturizers for daytime, I've been using the Replenix Age Restore Brightening Moisturizer. Last month it weighed 3.149 ounces, now weighs 2.709, so that is pretty good progress. And for nighttime, I'm using the Believe True Cream Moisturizing Balm, and I am lower than the lip here, so that's pretty exciting. Probably a little more than halfway done with this. Then for eye cream, I have the Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm, and I am down to the lip on this one as well. Actually a little bit deeper, so I am a little more than halfway done with this one as well. So I'm not sure how much progress I'll have on this one. It's really going to depend if I actually make myself use my foil samples. I think that now that some of my sample jars are cleaned out, I will just have to go ahead and pick one of them, cut it open, put it in a sample jar so that the ease of application won't be an issue. Then for my SPF, I actually do have some progress this month. The Everyday Humans Resting Beach Face SPF 30 Sunscreen Serum. I still am not using this on days where I'm not going outside at all, which is only 2 days a week, Wednesdays and Thursdays. But I went from here to down here, so this should still last me a couple of months, maybe about 3. It has just not gone on sale yet this year, which is so sad, but I do have the e.l.f. Whoa Glow to use after this, but this really is my favorite product ever. And then lastly for skincare, over this past month, I did have some days where I didn't wear any makeup at all, and I decided to pull out another pack of peel pads. I wish I did it sooner in the month because I may have been able to use a few more, but that's all right. This is the Dr. Zenobia 10% Glycolic Acne Peel Pads. It comes with 60. I only used one, so I have 59 left. I absolutely love these though. They have a really nice texture to them, which helps them exfoliate even more. I definitely am planning on these taking me until the end of the year to get through, although I can imagine that in that month where I have a brand new baby and I'm not wearing makeup very much, that I will get more use out of these. So we'll see, but I wanted to have them at the ready in case there were those days where I did not wear makeup during the day and I wasn't taking a shower that night. And then for body products, I have so many different things going on here, and I am tracking my uses on these products. So first I have the CeraVe Renewing Salicylic Acid Cleanser. For the past month, I did use this as a body wash. I went from here down to here, and I used this 10 times. Then on the KP of my arms, I'm using the Derma Microdermabrasion Scrub. I used it 8 times over the past month, and this is what it's looking like. And then for my regular body scrub, I have been using the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub and Coconut Lime. I had just started using it over the past month, and I also use this one 8 times. And there's still a ton in here. I really haven't been using this on my whole body. I've been using it mostly on my stomach and a little bit on my legs. Then I have my underarm products. So here is my Mega Babe Space Bar Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm Bar. This is a deluxe size sample, and I used this one 9 times over the past month. And then I also have the Mega Babe Happy Pits Detoxifying Underarm Mask. I only used this twice over the past month, and that's really because I've been forgetting. The month before I had done a pretty good job of alternating, but really I've just been jumping in the shower, and then I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to do this, because what I'm supposed to be doing is putting this on for a few minutes, letting it dry, and then getting in the shower. So I'll try to be a little bit more mindful of it, but I'm glad that I'm at least using something every time. Then I have my lotion type products for the CeraVe Salicylic Acid Lotion for rough and bumpy skin. I'm using this on the KP on my arms. I used this 9 times over the past month. I went from here to here. From topicals, I have this Slather Exfoliating Body Serum. I'm awful and I only used it once, but I did make a little bit of progress. Then for my hand lotion, I'm using the Belief Aqua Balm Hydrating Body Moisturizer. I went from approximately here to here, and I used it 7 times over the past month. This is something that I had been keeping on my desk and been applying around my session time, but we just recently had to switch platforms and you can't blur your background anymore. So now I'm sitting in a different spot and this is not near me, so I'm going to need to come up with a different method to get use out of this. And my last body product is the Maylis Get Sprung Stretch Mark Oil, and I think I made a lot of progress here. I'll put a picture of last month, but I'm right to the top of the Get Sprung words, and I use this 8 times over the past month, which is really good compared to previous months. So guys, that was my update on my non-makeup rolling project pan. Feeling pretty good with the progress that I've made so far. I'm hoping I can have some things finished by next month, but we'll see. I would love to hear your thoughts if you have used any of these products, and I would love to know if you are working on any of your hair, skin, and body products. I'm also doing some makeup project pans. I am posting right after this my spring finale and then my summer intro, so definitely make sure you're subscribed so you can see that. I'm so excited about the products I'm going to be working on this summer. And then I do also have my year-long project pan. I will have that playlist linked up in the cards. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.